Alright, so today I'm going to talk about how to create a redirect link. Now, one of the problems that some people who are new to internet marketing have is trying to figure out what products to market and then how to market those products. Obviously, that's beyond the scope of this tutorial right now, but what I want to show you is how to create redirect links. For instance, let's say you have a product that you want to promote and you get the product from ClickBank. So we'll just go check out ClickBank right here. So you can go to ClickBank, clickbank.com, the marketplace, and search for a product, and I've found one here, Mobile Monopoly. And you can see the sales page is right here. They have a $47.71 commission payout for their product and a 60% average commission. So that's a pretty good product to market. Plus the gravity is more than 100. So you want to look for products that have more than 100 gravity, a pretty high commission, and a good sale so you can make some money without having to create your own product. So that being said, if you went and you created your link and you went here, and this is the link that you'll get, and then you send that in an email to someone, or you try and rank that to get somebody to click on it, well, that's not going to happen. First of all, it's a very, very ugly link. Nobody's going to want to click on that. So there is a solution to that, and it's cloaking, redirecting your links. And what you do is you use PHP coding, which is website coding, and you do something like mywebsite.com recommends really cool product, or you could do mywebsite.com likes really cool product, or mywebsite.com says look at really cool product, and mywebsite.com says look at, you could put your name. For instance, my name is Matt Fraser. However, mattfraser.com is taken, but you can check out your name. And he says you can put mattfraser.com says look at really cool product. mattfraser.com likes really cool product, or yourname.com likes really cool product. If your name is taken, one thing you can try and say is like john-says.com look at really cool product. And it's an easier way to track your links, and if you ever change the link structure in your website, it's just easier to maintain and manage. Now, this is how to do it manually. There is some software out there that I'm going to tell you about that will make this a whole lot easier for you and to be able to check out. And I'll tell you about that in the end. But right now, I'm going to tell you how to cloak these links. So you want to cloak your links so that they look like this. In order to do that, first of all, you need to find a link. So like I said, I found this link here for Mobile Monopoly, and I'm just going to copy that link, all right? And then I have a text file open, and here's what you want to do. You want to type in this code, arrow, whatever arrow that is, question mark PHP, header, location, HTTP, my affiliate hop link, this code right here, okay? And what you want to do is you want to take this link, and I'm going to paste in my affiliate link, all right? So that's location, and this is the really ugly affiliate link, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go File, okay? Now I'm just going to show you something just really quickly here. I've got a file over here. I've created a file on my computer called cloaked links, all right? Cloaked links up here. And I have a folder called likes, look at, recommends. What you can see when I click in recommends is I've already done some of these things here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to go new folder, and I'm going to call this file Mobile Monopoly. Monopoly. I spelled that wrong. Monopoly. Okay, good. Mobile Monopoly. All right. And I'm going to go into my text file again, and this is the file. I'm going to go File, Save As. And I'm going to find where I want to save that. Now, I've already been doing some work here, so recommends. and then I'm going to go into Mobile Monopoly, and I'm going to save it as an index file, index.php file, which is okay. And I'm just going to press save. Now what it's done is it saved this file as an index.php file. See, recommends Mobile Monopoly index.php. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my FTP client, FileZilla. Now I've got FileZilla open, and one thing you want to do is you want to go to the root of your site. Okay, so I've got all these. This is the root of my site. I've connected to FileZilla, and if you don't know how to use FileZilla, you can Google it on YouTube, search for it on YouTube, or look towards one of my other videos coming. So basically what I've done is I've connected and dialed into my website, and here's a folder I have on my website, and you'll see all these are all the files on my website, and of course I'm using WordPress to power my website, which I recommend you do as well. Here's a folder I have in here called Recommends. This is on my website. Now this Recommends folder is in my root of my website, okay, because your website has a file structure, okay. The root of your website is where all your files go that you want people to see. And don't worry about it. Just put a file in there called recommends or like or says look at, like we talked about before in here. Okay, this is the root of your website, mywebsite.com. Everything you want users to see goes inside there. If you don't put it, this is called a subfolder, and this is a subfolder of this folder. So it's kind of a structure. This goes inside your website. This file folder goes inside here. If you're used to Windows, you should understand that. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find where I put that folder, and I've got it here somewhere. Internet marketing. I got lots of stuff on my computer, and cloak links and recommends, and here we are right down here. Recommends Mobile Monopoly. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to quickly take this and I want to drag it over here, and it's going to automatically copy that over there. So now when I click on Recommends, it says Mobile Monopoly right there. So I'm going to show you what this does now. I'm going to open up the browser, and we're going to go here, and we're going to type in my website URL, www.imtipsfornewbies.com/recommends/mobile monopoly. Boom. Watch what happens. There you go. See? It goes straight to there, and then of course it's got my IHOP ID in there. But that's how to do that, so that you can get people to click on your links. And then instead of posting, my apologies, instead of posting really ugly link, which we talked about, we would post the link that I talked about. So I'll just show you that again. We'd post this link. I'm just going to create a new file here. So we would post www.imtipsfornewbies.com/recommends/mobile monopoly. Okay, and then when I want people to click in that link, when I'm creating a hyperlink, okay, on my website, I send people to this link instead. All right. So, and if I really want to get sneaky, one thing I can do is put in an anchor text. So Mobile Monopoly, using this is a little bit of HTML. It's an anchor link, and what people will see on the website is Mobile Monopoly, and this will be a clickable link. Okay, so that's how to create links, to cloak your links so that people can't steal your commissions, and so they make your links more eye friendly so that people will click on them. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.